Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Anthony, the Eclectic Chef. Today we're going to talk about preparing a meal, or meals actually, lunch and dinner, for the 2 fast days in the late Michael Mosley's 5-2 diet plan. This plan allows you to eat relatively normally, 5 days a week, and fast for 2, meaning ladies 500 calories or less for you, men 600 calories or less for you, and that includes the alcohol you drink if you do, by the way, which will blow your plan, so don't. 5-2 plan isn't for everyone, but it's quite effective at dropping weight, really helpful for those with metabolic disorders, improves blood work, reduces inflammation, and so on. But the biggest question is, well, what can I do? What can I make to eat? I've made a don't run away cabbage soup. It's very tasty. Cabbage, celery, jalapenos, onion, mushrooms, 4 cups of vegetable stock, 1 cup of chicken stock, and 1 cup of low sodium V8 juice. I've worked out I get 4 servings out of this, and by the way, they're less than 100 calories each, 88 to be precise, and I'll put my worksheet in the description to this video if you want to watch. So in the meantime, let's just press on ahead and get this cabbage soup made. It's really pretty easy. Okay everyone, so here's our vegetable ingredients for the cabbage soup. 1, I'd call it medium green cabbage, cored and a couple of the outside leaves off, 3 stalks of celery, half an onion, a jalapeno, which I've sliced lengthways, 3 slices of ginger. I never bothered to figure out the calories of those. And I've got 6 shiitakes here. I actually used these in the making of the vegetable stock. They're weighing in a little bit heavier than fresh. These are dried and reconstituted, largely because of the water they're carrying, even though I wrung them out. Every batch of soup's different, so I'm going to update the weights of these and recalculate the calories when we're done, but I don't think we're going to see much difference. Now we're going to run through our liquids. This is our homemade vegetable stock. The first time we made this soup, I used store-bought, which was fine. Not much salt, but it was, I noticed, made from either juices or juice powder. Well, I'd want my vegetable stock to be made out of real vegetables and purified water and nothing else, thanks. So here's our vegetable stock, cooked yesterday. It was tomatoes, leek, an onion, celery, dried shiitake, parsley from the garden. I think that was about it, actually, and it's turned out really dark, smells good. I'm thinking this is going to work very well. Next up, the chicken stock. Next, here's the chicken stock that I make from the sous chef's $2 Walmart chicken carcasses after she's pulled all the meat off. This one has turned out to be super gelatinous, so it will add some real richness and goodness to our cabbage soup. 1 cup. And lastly, 1 cup of low sodium V8 juice. Adds a nice little background tomatoey flavour. All these work very well together. So here are all our ingredients in the Instant Pot. We're going to cook this for half an hour. That's enough. I want cabbage soup, not cabbage mush. And this will be great on spoon. By the way, I will tell you, I prefer to use shiitakes in this soup because they really hold their texture. I used fresh last time. King oyster mushrooms would work too, but you know what? If you all have to or want to use field mushrooms, it'll be just fine. Let's cook this up and we'll see you when we've plated some. So here we go. Here's our 5-2 cabbage soup. Less than 100 calories in this bowl. We garnished it with a little bit of parsley and some freshly ground black pepper. This is really tasty. I've eaten it before, so I can say that. And if you're looking to lose weight on a fasting diet, you might want to give this a try. Look to the description for the details of the recipe and the calories.